to look like your favorite celebrity or fashion blogger, but do you know that how is it possible? No, right? Then let me tell you. Because they used to focus on their grooming part, and that's why they always look put together and well groomed. So if you want to look like them, then you need to focus on your grooming part. And for that, you don't need to invest so much money. You just need to have right knowledge and you need to do self-love. That's it. So in this video, I will give you 11 tips that how you can look well groomed and put together like them. But before that, I would like to share my own story, then you will be able to relate with me. You know what guys, I can still remember first day of my college, and unfortunately it was horrible day of my life. Because I was so shocked when I saw my senior for the first time because they were very classy and well groomed. Then I thought how I will survive in this industry, because we all know that fashion industry is very classy and very glamorous. But you know what guys, there is some rules in my college that we need to look very fashionable, we need to look very stylish, we need to look presentable and well groomed. And trust me, that time I had no idea about fashion, grooming and styling, and also I had zero confidence because I was so skinny and I had huge pimples problem. But I decided no matter what, I'm gonna change myself, and I did it. So you can see my picture. And you know what guys, if I can, then why you can't? Obviously you can. So in this video I will guide you step by step. So just be relaxed and enjoy this video. Number 1, haircut. Do you know that a right haircut can change your entire personality? So do right haircut according to your face shape and don't go for random haircut. Otherwise it will spoil your look. And also if you want to look well groomed, then follow basic hair care routine, because your healthy hair is also important. So do that. So number 2, skincare. See guys, if you want to look well groomed and put together, then you should follow basic skincare routine like cleaning, toning, moisturizing and scrubbing. Because if your skin texture is not good, then obviously you won't look good. So take care about your skin, and your skin will be happy, then you will be happy. So take care. Number 3, makeup is really important, because it will make you more attractive, more professional and more polished. So do that, but it should be according to occasion. And if you don't like to do makeup, then no problem, just go for no makeup look, and that is really great option for you. Okay, and if you want to go for parties with your friends, or maybe you want to go for date with your boyfriend, then just do little experiment with your eye makeup look and you will look stunning. So just do that. Number 4, footwear. Do you know that footwear is also important? So if you want to look well groomed and put together, then try to choose your footwear according to your outfit and you will look outstanding. And if you are not comfortable with high heels, then just don't wear, leave it. Otherwise it will spoil your look, and try to wear something comfortable. Okay. So number 5, dressing sense. Always try to wear well-fitted clothes, and it should be according to your body type, and don't forget to choose right color for your skin tone. But the most important thing is that your dress should be according to the situation and occasion. Like your office outfit will be different, and your party outfit will be different, and your date outfit will be different. So be careful about that and try to gain some knowledge about dress and style and fashion. So number 6, accessories. Do you know that accessories can make or break your outfit, and also too much accessories can spoil your look. So be careful about that and try to choose your accessories wisely. Number 7, smell good. Always try to smell good, and for that you can use little perfume, but don't use too much, otherwise it will spoil your look. And always remember one thing, people notice when you smell good. So try to use that, and also it will help you to create an impression that you are polished and well groomed. So try this. Number 8, fitness. Believe it or not, but fitness is really important for you, because if you are fit, then you can wear almost anything and it will suit you, and effortlessly you will look good. So try this. And for that you don't need to go gym, you can do that in your home. So try to do some sort of exercises, try to do some yoga and try to do some diets. That's it, and you will look outstanding. So do that. Number 9, hands and legs. If you want to look well groomed, then your hands and legs need to be soft and moisturized. And for that, you need to follow basic hands and legs care routine at least once in a week. And for that, you don't need to go salon. You can do that in your home. So try to do that, and also try to keep your nails clean, shaped and polished. Number 10, comfort. Always remember one thing, if you are not comfortable with anything, then please don't do that. Like suppose if you are not comfortable with short dresses or high heels, then please don't wear. Otherwise, you will feel irritated and uncomfortable, and ultimately it will spoil your look. So please don't do that. So at last, confidence. Confidence is the key of success. We all know that. So if you are confident enough, then you can do anything and everything. So whatever you do, whatever you speak and whatever you wear, do that with confidence. So try to have some confidence, and that will help you to enhance your personality. Okay. So try to follow all those tips and you will look stunning and well groomed. And definitely you will get results. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because my next video will be so good. So wait for that and give me a like and do some comments, and wait for my next video and follow all those tips, because that will help you to enhance your personality. So do that.